When it comes to payroll, you might be wondering about cost. So let's take a look at Upwork Payroll's pricing structure. With Upwork Payroll, workers are typically paid an hourly rate and are subject to payroll tax withholdings. Under most contract terms, the worker receives 77% of the total rate you pay, while the remaining 23% covers fees associated with the worker's employment. Depending on the type of Upwork subscription you choose, your company may be eligible for a reduced fee percentage. Let's see those numbers in action. This is Aaron. Aaron is starting a new assignment through Upwork Payroll. Let's say the client is paying this hourly billing rate. That means that for every hour Aaron works, he's paid this much, minus any applicable tax withholdings. The remainder covers payroll, administrative, and staffing service fees. Now, there are a few requirements to keep in mind. The worker must be paid at least local minimum wage, and depending on his local labor laws, he could be eligible for overtime pay and certain employee benefits. But don't worry, our staffing partner will ensure that these compliance details are taken care of for you. Fairly simple, right? We thought so too. Hire with ease on the world's work marketplace.